always want to showcase what you still have.
As Malilin lights it up.
What a fine outing in their last loss.
Ang problema, he scored 9 points in the first half. Wala na yung 3-point game. Sanggalang, going to work. Happy mula sa kanto. Good!
Unheralded starting unit here for Terra Firma, but nonetheless, they continue to dictate the pace as Ned Bensarito ng Terra Firma.
Sabi mo nga, nung pumasok yung bench hindi na malaman saan makakakuha ng
Hindi dahil sa hindi sila mahuhusay. But collectively, they have
Paraiso. Paraiso steps to the left.
I like that move. Very 4% rate.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Nobody knew David was running down there. Kaya galit na galit si Coach Raymond sa kabila.
Down 17-9.
The rest of his squad. Stan to Sanggalang again. 10-0 run para dito sa Terra Firma.
Generated by Pringle and Sanggalang. Some connection is Stanley Pringle.
Delesio inside to Sanggalang. Pinali pa ni Louie. Gets the basket. At di niya pang foul.
Easier way to score for Sanggalang. Total of 8 points in the quarter after score.
Ilaga na Ibet. Bibigay kay Escoto. He's been hot. He continues to be so.
Wow.
That's a conference high for him, Coach.
Yes, at 19 points. 13 second quarter.
Although, kaya napaupo na muna siya dito sa early goings ng third quarter.
Paano kung marirelease? Binara ka ng sunod-sunod na ginto.
Look at Bradwin Guindo. Malilin to David. Pumunta pa sa kaliwa.
How many layups has Terra Firma given up here in quarter 3? Apat kay Ginto.
Zaldivar, pick and roll action on the slide. Paraiso spins the other way.
We like his game, really. Solid individual defender, can shoot Terra Firma.
Mitchell got around Paraiso.
Wow.
It won!
That hurts because they had fouls to give.
Paraiso looked like he was trying to give up a foul. Eh, sinasabi nga niya. Romeo trying to break free. Nice slice by Terrence.
What a pass coming from Paraiso.
Arcade to give it up. Barefield to David. The looper of a three-pointer is sent home. To not play with fire. Sanggalang with another and one.
Full strong underneath when he's that close to the basket. Every time he's able to get to his left side, it's going to be tough.
First game ng ating PBA Sunday dito sa Ninoy. That's going to be a 4. Andrade punches it through.
That's a backbreaker.
Pinawin mo yung last 4 points.
Oo.
Diba?
Ang saka yung 3-point.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro tapos yun na.